Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert text to shape in Illustrator. It will be really simple and easy. The first method, we are going to create outlines for our text. In order to do this, select your text and create outlines either by clicking on Type, Create Outlines, or by left clicking on the text and select Create Outlines. You can also use shortcut Shift plus Command plus O on your Mac and Shift plus Control plus O on your Windows. As you can see here in the layer dockers on the right side, the text has been converted to a shape. Now you can edit each letter individually when clicking on this round circle here. As you can see, these changes will be applied as soon as you do that. Second method involves the Make with Wrap feature. You can use this by selecting your text and clicking on Object, then go to this envelope, distort, make with wrap. You can also use the shortcut Alt slash Option plus Shift plus Command plus W on your Mac or Alt plus Shift plus Control plus W on your Windows. This method is especially useful when you want to wrap the text to a specific shape as shown here. But you can notice this method, it won't be possible to edit the individual letters. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to convert text to shape in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.